folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Right here at the cow pasture, we're going to take up the Carbon Cub S2. Gonna have a little bit of fun with her.
Motor on.
Motor on. Makes it a lot easier to fly an electric plane when the motor's turned on. Just makes it a lot easier for some reason. Don't ask me why. Kind of a wind out of the southwest there, so oh man, just kind of going into the wind there. Makes it a lot easier. You just kind of fight that wind, you got some resistance against it. Just makes your whole flight a lot easier as far as going into the wind. Now landing when you cross breeze, that's a different story. See if we can't land this bird. I can do better than that. Kind of plopped that down, didn't I? All right. A little bit of a knife edge there. Just a little one. There, just to show you how nice and slow, and the flaps aren't even down. But like I say, I'm going into the wind there. So
Landing flaps.
here. Don't really need flaps right now, but I want to see how they react. There we go.
Flaps up.
Get her turned around here. Come on, tail dragger. There we go. There we go. Got the perfectly suited wheels for this and landing strip here. Those nice big Tundra tires. Just so you know, I'm only running the, I don't even have safe enabled on this plane. I only have the AS3X gyro, which just kind of helps with that wind a little bit. There we go, a little bit better of a landing there. This particular Cub design is about one of my favorites. Well, it's a typical Cub. Oh boy, that is so cool, just to keep an airplane in the sky and almost standing still. That is just so neat. You can get this airplane at HobbyZone. You can get it at Horizon. Almost all your larger retail hobby stores are going to carry a few of them. Great trainer, especially if you have the safe installed. Absolute fabulous trainer. I highly recommend it as a trainer. Now they do sell it with GPS and virtual fence and all that, where it won't get away from you, but there's been a lot of problems with that GPS unit and making all that work. So but I can't, I've never had it, so I can't speak for it or against it. All I know is that there's, according to a lot of reviews and a lot of videos, that there's been nothing but problems with it. I mean, sometimes it works very successfully and not a problem, but other times it's been a nightmare for some people. So, you know, make your own choice on that one. But just a regular AS3X and the Safe Select is fabulous in this plane. So there we go. All right. Oh, the bugs are out in full force today. Well, there you go, folks. That is the Carbon Cub S2, sold by e-flite, HobbyZone. It's a HobbyZone brand, and you can pick it up at Horizon Hobby, HobbyZone, most retailers. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.